Who else knows that the powerful CEO of Enviable Transport, Chukwuemeka Ituma, hails from Ebonyi State, Iziango to be precise. Yes, this man right here is from Iziango in Ebonyi State. So yesterday he pulled up in style to his hometown with a convoy that had everyone talking. Let me take you back to where it all started. Chukwuemeka wasn't always the big shot we know today. Back in his days at Michael Okpara University of Agriculture in Umudike, he juggled being a student and hustling as an Okada rider to make ends meet. Then came the Lagos hustle, navigating the streets as a keke driver, dreaming big and spotting gaps in Nigeria's chaotic transport sector. Fast forward to 2020, Chukwuemeka turned his dream into reality, founding Enviable Transport Services with a focus on affordable, reliable, and eco-friendly transportation. He built his business from the ground up. Today, his company is one of Nigeria's leading transport service brands, setting the pace in the car rental and hire purchase space. And guess what? He recently partnered with none other than Obi Kubana, a name synonymous with success and innovation. Together, these two powerhouses are revolutionizing Nigeria's transport sector, bringing electric vehicles into the mix and creating countless opportunities. Chukwuemeka's story is proof that with hard work and determination, anyone can rise from humble beginnings to achieve greatness. So, when he arrived in Iziango yesterday, the whole town came alive. His convoy was a sight to behold, and his story inspired many young people in his hometown to dream big. Chukwuemeka Ituma, aka Enviable, is not just a businessman, he's a symbol of hope for aspiring entrepreneurs everywhere. This is exactly how you pull up to your hometown when you're on a mission to change the narrative. What do you think of this inspiring story? Share your thoughts below.